I'm Jeff Scott from Sussex Installations. Congratulations on the purchase of your internal shield for your side load door latch mechanism from us. This is a video installation guide. I'm going to show you how to fit it, so it's not particularly difficult. You're going to need a T30 Torx screwdriver, and also if you get really lucky, depending on how your ply lining is inside, you might not actually need much more tools for this job. Working inside the van, do it with the back doors open so you're not stuck in the van. And that is going to give us the access we basically need. So there's a latch mechanism. Next thing we need to do is undo this, but you're going to have to open up the door to undo it. 3 T30 Torx screws here to undo. Next thing we need to do is close the door mostly, but not all the way. We don't want this to shut onto the bodywork of the van, otherwise we won't be able to detach it from the door. So just closing it up to around about there, leaving a gap between this latch and the part of the van that it's going to close into. Now we're going to grab this one on the back to make sure you don't lose it. You can feel that door closed a little bit more if you want.
Is that like?
Yeah. To line up now. Right, you might have to move both this shield and this shield. Wiggle them both until you get the screw to come through. And you have to make sure that piece goes in the hole. So making sure that's firmly pressed down. So checking that both of them went down, so both of these are flush and that these are nice and tight. Just check for tightness. And now this can be placed back into the door, into the approximate position. So if it doesn't quite line up to start with, just need to move it around with your finger to do so. Or it might be that if you've got someone else available, they could help you by being inside the van, and you could have this door more closed, 3/4 of the way closed. Be very careful with the threads as you do them up. We don't want any crossed threads. They should go in nice and smooth. Probably best to get them not all the way tight. Get one in, get it started, and then they'll do the other one. So put all 3 of them in quite loose. So now that we've done that, first thing we want to do is obviously check that the door opens and shuts properly, which it does. And the next thing to check to lock your remote control, double lock it, check the van's locked, just check the back door as well, unlock, check the door opens, which it does, which is great. Another thing, as well as having that latch mechanism on the van, of course, don't forget to actually do the double lock on your van. So lock, double lock, and what that means is the internal cables are all redundant within that door. So if someone has made a hole through that door, they can't just put on a cable or anything like that, or they can put on a cable, but it's not going to unlock your door because you've double locked it. So another important job, have the shield, make sure you double lock your van each time, unless there's someone actually inside your van, like you've left a child or worker in there when you're at the petrol station. It's not safe to double lock your van if you've got someone inside of it. But other than that, double lock it every time and it makes it more secure. You're activating the factory deadlocking. Of course, if you can, put some additional security on your van in addition to this latch shield, driver's door barrel, deadlocks, high position deadlocks, and the alarm with cargo area detection. If you found this video tutorial useful for changing the latch mechanism, again, it's not a difficult job. Make sure you share this with any other Ford Custom owners or Ford Transit owners so they get themselves protected. If you need, if you've already had a hole through the bodywork style attack, then check our website out because we have some external repair plate solutions for you. Thanks for watching the video, hope it's useful, and yeah, anything to do with van security, subscribe to the Sussex Installations YouTube channel and fill out the newsletter form on our website, sussexinstallations.co.uk. Thank you.